Good morning, everyone. I hope that you're all safe and in good health today. I am Sir Lloyd. I will be guiding you in this episode on computer systems servicing. Be ready to learn and enjoy our today's lesson. So, prepare your activity notes and your pen. I know that you are ready and excited to learn new ideas. But let's answer first these questions. Directions. Read each question carefully. Identify the correct answers by choosing from the given choices. Number 1. Which of the following materials or equipment is not needed in the pre-deployment printer? A. Printer. B. Scanner. C. Windows 7. Or D. Windows Server 2008 R2. Number 2. Which of these softwares can be used to run the printer? A. Installer. B. OS. C. Windows. Or D. Windows Server. Number 3. Which of these procedures is the second? A. Apply the new policy. B. Apply the policy. C. Deploying printer. Or D. Share local printer. Number 4. What is the specific operating system to be used as client? A. Windows 2010. B. Windows 7. C. Windows Server 2010 R2. Or D. Windows XP. Number 5. Which of these procedures is the third? A. Add new policy. B. Add new rules. C. Apply the new policy. Or D. Install local printer. What is your score? Did you get the perfect score? If yes, good job. If no, don't worry. We will deepen your understanding so you can get a higher score at the end of this lesson. Let us now explore and discover the pre-deployment procedure, pre-deployment materials, and equipment. As a computer systems servicing technician, we should not only learn the basic skills like assemble and disassemble, but also to learn the other core competencies of CSS. But first, we should know what pre-deployment procedure is and its materials and equipment. Pre-deployment procedure is a process that involves complex steps in setting up command to program the system. On this lesson, we will focus on the procedure in pre-deployment of printer. This is one of the configurations in Windows Server 2008 R2 that a computer systems technician should know. Before we start deploying our printer, we should know the materials and equipment used in deploying it. Pre-deployment materials and equipment. Number 1, desktop computer. It is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk or table due to its size and power requirements. Number 2, printer. A machine for printing text or pictures onto paper, especially one linked to a computer. Number 3, software. Windows 2008 R2. It is a set of instructions required to run a computer. Number 4, printer driver. Is a piece of software on a computer that converts the data to be printed and to format that a printer can understand. Number 5, monitor. It displays information in visual form using text and graphics. Procedure and predeployment of printer. Number 1, install local printer or PC1-server. Locate and install printer driver. A, click on Start and then Computer. And then on Drive D, click Epson L120 or whatever devices or type of printer that you used. And then click Epson times 64 if your computer is 64-bit. If it's 32-bit, then you have to click 32-bit. B, simply follow the on-screen instruction on how to install the printer. And C, at this point, you must turn on the printer. Procedure number 2, share local printer or the PC1 to as server. A, click on Start and then Devices and Printers. Then B, right-click on Epson, or it depends on the brand that you used, and then click Printer Properties. Letter C, click on Sharing, and then check Share this printer and list in the directory. Click on Security. D, click on Add User and type Domain User, and then add your domain user also. Procedure number 3, add new rules or DHCP server and print document services from PC1 to server. A, click on Start, then Administrative Tools, and then Server Manage. B, right-click on Rules and select Add Rules. C, click on Next and check DHCP server and print document services and click Next. D, click on Next at least 4 times. E, click on Add to add new scopes. And F, click on Next again for several times and click on Install. 4, adding new policy. A, click on Start and search and open Group Policy Management. Then B, click on Domains and then select your domain and right-click and select Create a GPO in this domain. And then C, type the name Printer Deployment and click on OK. And then D, select the Printer Deployment Policy and click on Add. Then add domain users. Procedure number 5, deploying printer using the Printer Deployment Policy. A, click on Start and search and open Print Management. And then B, click on Printer Servers, then your domain, then Printers, and right-click on Epson or whatever brand of printer that you used, then deploy with Group Policy. And then C, click on Browse, select Printer Deployment Policy. Procedure number 6, apply the new policy. Go to PC2 to Client. Click on Start, then search and open Command Prompt, then type GP update space / force, and then group policy update, and then enter. To fully engage ourselves in this lesson, let us do this activity. Directions. Match the parts of the computer in column A to its description in column B. Directions. Fill in the blank with correct word. Choose the word from the box. Let's try to practice more by answering this activity. Directions. Complete the following acronyms used in pre-deployment of printer. Write your answer on the space provided. We are now done explaining all the information that you need to know. Let us proceed in synthesizing our lesson. Directions. Take a short video that shows you performing and applying the procedure in pre-deployment of printer. And then the best video will be featured in Lloyd Benitez de Guzman Entertainment YouTube channel. But be sure that you set the frame of your video camera to 1920 by 1080 pixels. But if it's not available, you may set it whatever available in your device. And then send your video to our Facebook group chat. As we end our lesson, we need to test your skills if we have really attained our learning objectives. So let us now have our assessment. Directions. Read each question carefully. Identify the correct answers by choosing from the given choices. Number 1. Which of the following materials or equipment is not needed in the pre-deployment printer? A. Printer. B. Scanner. C. Windows 7. Or D. Windows Server 2008 R2. Number 2. Which of these softwares can be used to run the printer? A. Installer. B. OS. C. Windows. Or D. Windows Server. Number 3. Which of these procedures is the second? A. Apply the new policy. B. Apply the policy. C. Deploying printer. Or D. Share local printer. Number 4. What is the specific operating system to be used as client? A. Windows 2010. B. Windows 7. C. Windows Server 2010 R2. Or D. Windows XP. Number 5. Which of these procedures is the third? A. Add new policy. B. Add new rules. C. Apply the new policy. Or D. Install local printer. Congratulations, everyone! You were able to finish the tasks in our lesson. If you have questions and clarifications, you may watch and review your video lesson, or you may ask the assistance of your teacher.